Alright, so let's get to the center. Sorry for the lack of commentary. I thought I should just shut up and, you know, just showcase what we're dealing with here. It's just such an insane area. If I could describe to you the smells, it's just a mix of tacos and something else. It's like nothing I've smelled anywhere in the world. I know it sounds insane, but that's how it is. Yeah, such a cool place. I have no words really. They're really high on Ivan Ferrero here, whoever that is. That's Karim Leon, I know him. Alright, so we're heading to the Palacio de Bellas Artes, I believe it's called, so like the Museum of Fine Arts. Here in Mexico City, it's a park just behind there, and then that's where the museum is. Also, when the camera wasn't rolling, I saw a lady with like which is a druggie there. But yeah, when the camera wasn't rolling, I saw a lady with a broken leg. She was hit by a car. There were first responders there, police. But yeah, this is pretty much reminds you of dangers in Mexico City. I mean, it can happen anywhere, but the traffic is among the worst I've seen so far anywhere in the world. But it's fun. Honestly, this place is just so vibrant. It reminds you of like a, you know, South American town square. Well, just Latin American town square. With people just sitting around selling stuff. I'm sure you can find a shoe shiner somewhere around here. Actually, I haven't seen one yet. I've seen like an automatic shoe shine thing at the airport. I don't know. Did they get rid of the shoe shiners? Or what happened? Also, there's a lot of police around here. Maybe it's because it's Sunday, or maybe there's something going on. I don't know. Yeah, could be a holiday. But yeah, I'm here on the 21st of January. So if anyone of you knows if it's maybe, I don't know, a Mexican celebration on the 21st of January, let me know, because I would be genuinely curious to find out. Oh, I think it's the ambulance for the lady who's hurt down the road. That took a while. That honestly took a while. And it's stuck in traffic. That's amazing. See, I don't really judge developing countries for anything, and I'm a fan of developing countries because they're so much fun. But honestly, that's one of the things that I really don't like about them. How long it takes to get help, and the police is being pretty useless sometimes, most of the time. Yeah, so I could definitely, Mexico definitely do with an upgrade in terms of, you know, first responders, and I mean, I'm sure they're doing their best. I'm sure the guys are doing their best. It just took like 20 minutes. We're on the way now to the Palacio de Bellas Artes. I might be saying it wrong, but this is how it looks. I'm going to swap my battery now because I'm at 5%, and there's still so much to film. So see you in a bit.
Aleluya, ven a Cristo. Tanto que ama, tanto sana
There we
Dios,
go.
que nos dio su
Palacio de Bellas Artes right here.
¿Tú darías a uno de tus hijos a que muriera por un pecador?
Definitely not going inside. Next up, I would like to see the cathedral. No idea where that is, so I need to check. But yeah, it's the entrance to the Bellas Artes. There are all kinds of different people here. It's crazy. People are dressed up. It's really, really cool. Alright then, let's check my phone in a safe way. Oh no. So, okay, I need to go that way. But it's also extremely busy. I don't know if I want to go that way. Look at that. Look at these stream of people. For the content, maybe I wouldn't do that. But for the content, I will. I guess that's the only fair way. Oh, the metro down there. Wow, that's loud. super busy, guys. I don't know if I like this, but yeah. Look at the amount of people around here. Then again, I mean, it's probably the main street in the city, so it does make sense. Again, I'm gonna shut up and just show you guys. It's so unbelievably busy. This is insane. Yeah. The streams and streams of people. But hey, this is also kind of fun. Yeah. This road is honestly, it's going on for a while now. Been on it for a hot minute, so hopefully we'll get to wherever we're going fairly soon. We'll see. Honestly, I don't know what's at the end of it. I think some kind of square with like the... I think I've seen like a big flag. And so hopefully we'll get to see that. And then of course the church. Sorry, I'm being distracted by all the music here. This is also really cool. I'm gonna pan the camera around. Well, he wanted money for that and I don't want to be a jerk, so I had to stop filming for a little bit. Yeah. But there you go. Okay, so that looks like a church. Don't know if it's the church, I don't think so. Then again, I don't know what's on the other side of this. So, I think it's also like a big church called Guadalupe or something. No idea, this could be it, technically. It's definitely not the Metropolitan Cathedral, because we're definitely getting to that though. Alright guys, so this is the road behind me I just came from, and you gotta see this. This camera won't do it justice, I can already tell. Look at this flag. Honestly, this has to be the biggest flag in the world, surely. What is this? It's like 1/2 the size of the pole. That's actually That's insane. Now it's in focus. Wow. That's one massive flag, and then that's the Metropolitan Cathedral, I believe. And I've seen some videos of like people doing like witchcraft things here. I don't know, cleaning, cleansing. I think that's only during Dia de los Muertos, so not now. I wish it was now, because I would definitely pay for that. And then down there there's something colorful. More music. I don't think that's copyright music. Hopefully not, at least. But yeah, a lot going on down there. I'm not gonna go down there. Let's see if we can get it inside the cathedral. I think that would be a pretty cool way of ending this video, because I've done pretty much everything I wanted to do today in terms of sightseeing on my first full day here. Yeah, also, if you guys know what this building is, actually, I'm not gonna ask you, I'm gonna check. I'm actually gonna check myself. Palacio Nacional. Oh, so that's the government building, or like the parliament or something. That's really cool. It's like right in the middle of the city. Oh, you gotta love it. But yeah, this is the view. Let's see if we can get inside. I think I've seen somewhere it's supposed to be free. Also, I think it's going towards sunset soon. Well, to be fair, I left the house like 2:30, so you can imagine that. But yeah, I definitely want to get home before sunset, because I don't want to be out in the dark. That'll be a bad idea. Guys, I just spotted something. That's exactly what I was telling you before. They do still have the witchcraft people. Look at this. Honestly, the smell, I don't know what it is. It's crazy. This city has blown my mind today. It really has. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it with this. I'm gonna film another video right now. I'm gonna go on the metro and see what that's like. So if you're interested, just follow along, and I'll see you when the next video drops. Bye bye.